Hi, I'm Dan Krolikowski, team leader of Withum's Founders and Tech Executive Group. Today, I'll be discussing QSBS Packing. QSBS Packing is a strategic planning approach used to maximize the tax benefits under Section 1202. The aim is to increase the taxpayer's basis in the qualified small business stock in order to pack the eligible gain excludable. Section 1202B allows a taxpayer selling qualified small business stock to exclude a gain equal to the greater of $10 million or 10 times the aggregate adjusted basis of qualified small business stock issued by a corporation and disposed of by the taxpayer during the taxable year. Some ways to pack the eligible gain excludable under Section 1202 that are commonly used include the following. One method involves selling qualified small business stock with no basis before qualified small business stock with basis in order to maximize the eligible gain exclusion under Section 1202B. Another method involves contributing cash or property with a fair market value greater than $1 million in exchange for qualified small business stock. This type of transaction actually changes the basis of the QSBS to the fair market value of the property that's exchanged. For example, if $2 million of value was contributed in exchange for qualified small business stock, the basis of that qualified small business stock now becomes $2 million. This results in an eligible gain exclusion limit of $20 million. A final method involves selling high basis qualified small business stock that may or may not meet the 5-year holding period in the same calendar year as low basis qualified small business stock. This strategy can actually increase the eligible qualified small business stock gain exclusion, since although the only shares that are eligible for the Section 1202 exclusion are those that are held for 5 years or more, the exclusion under Section 1202 is actually determined by reference to the total basis of all qualified small business stock that's sold during the year, regardless of whether that gain is actually currently eligible for an exclusion under Section 1202. Withum offers a team of expert advisors ready to assist you with qualified small business stock packing and other strategies in order to maximize your tax benefits under Section 1202.